welcome back. My name is Smriti and I hope you all are safe and doing well. So I'm back with another hashtag Kriti Review Saturday video where I'll be reviewing one book that I read currently or I have already read. And for today's video, the book I have picked is Pajamas Are Forgiving by Twinkle Khanna, and this I read in the 7 Day 7 Books Challenge journey. And yeah, I'm going to tell you about this book. So starting with the cover, it is a very pretty covered book, and I totally fell in love with the cover. And it is not a very thick book, and the font in the book is also very decent, and is the main reason why I picked this book up. And I knew, seeing the font, that I will be able to complete this book no matter how many pages it has. And that is how I picked this book. Okay, so coming back to the story, it is a story of Anshu, who is 40 something age, a middle aged woman who is divorced. And she is suffering from sleeplessness, where she is not able to sleep at her night, or she is having difficulty in sleeping. So at that moment she decides to visit Shantimaya or Shantamaya, where there which is a camp or a therapy spa of rejuvenation. And I hope I'm pronouncing it right. But there she goes, and she thinks that visiting that spa, she will be able to overcome her problem. And she will be able to accomplish, or will be able to sleep after this. And I can understand how she must be feeling at that moment, because I used to suffer from sleeplessness, and sometimes I still do, where you have a problem, you are not able to sleep for days and days. And yeah, it is just a horrible space where you are not able to sleep. Yeah, you sleep at the most uncertain period of time, and that is where you feel very irritated when the entire world is sleeping and you are still not able to sleep. After, irrespective of not sleeping in the entire day, you still suffer from it. So yeah, that is sleeplessness, and I'm not going into deep. But Anshu decides all this, that she will be having the therapy, and she will be getting normal. But which story or which thinking is so simple, or whatever you decide, or whatever your life is it so simple? Same here it goes with Anshu. Her life is not so simple. There she goes, and when she is already indulged in that program, and she has already started working through her, she sees her husband Jay with his young wife. And all the emotions, all the flashback of a previous life is just in front of her. And at that moment she decides to run away from Shantmaya, but she then decides that it's just the past, and she don't want to make an impact of her past in her present life. But life is not so easy on her, and there she has to suffer a lot because of this. She has so many so I honestly speaking did not like her decision making process, not the one where she decides to live there. Okay, so from there the story starts, and the story revolves around her emotions, her decisions, and all her playings. And she is the protagonist of the story or the book, and the story has been said through her perspective. So I would like to say that some decisions that she made were bullshit, and I totally felt anger racing through my veins. And I feel not angry, frustrated, that how stupid a person make decisions. And but at the same time I feel sympathetic towards her, because loneliness is a thing where you are not able to keep your self respect up. You crash your self respect, and you really want someone to to have with you, or you make decisions which are all rubbish, and you really don't care what the outcome will be. You just don't want to stay alone. And hello my friends, loneliness is not a problem. You are born alone, you will go alone. I know many people have said that, but loneliness is not a problem. So don't get influenced after reading this book. She has made such big mistakes, but at the same time I feel sympathetic because she is lonely, she is divorced, and she has faced so many challenges in her life. And when the past is in front of you, and the surroundings is different, and the opportunities which you have at that moment are different, you are not able to decide what to do. So yeah, that is another thing. But at the same time I feel very, I did not like the character at some moments, but it is okay. And on the other hand, Jay, the ex-husband, is a character which I hate the most in the entire story. There are many other characters which I did not like and which I liked, but Jay is a character I did not like at all. He used the loneliness of her ex wife, and he just played, yeah, he just played the entire thing. And there were situations where he manipulated both the women in the story, the protagonist and the other woman which was in his life. And I did not like the entire thing. Also there was one character which was very good, but at the same time stupid, which was Jenna's character. Jenna was a person who also visited Shanti Maya or Shant Maya for rejuvenation, and she was a friend of Anshu, but the decisions what she made, uh, um, the decisions what Anshu made had an impact on her life also. So it is a story, it is a pretty sad story, also motivating story. Also some moments you will realize that in loneliness how destructive their minds become. They just don't bother anything. And the decisions which were taken should be taken previously, and that's all about a story which we learn from a story, that we should not make mistakes in our life. And yeah, that is what is happening. Also the character or the protagonist of the story is very kind, humble, caring towards others, understanding towards others, but the decisions are all that ruins her life. So the one thing that you learn from this story is that don't ever crush your self respect for the sake of not being lonely, is all I want to say. The review of this book that I want to say is that it is a mediocre book, and you can definitely pick it up if you are bored, or if you are a beginner. And if you really want to read this book, don't take the bad things from it, always take the good things. And yeah, it is a decent kind of a book that I read. And the most uh, inspiring thing that I read was the ending, which has an important lesson for you. um, and yeah, that is it. And if you really want to read it, then read it. I would give it 3.5 out of 5, because I expected a lot. And the way I was excited about this is also the reason I was disappointed for this. So yeah, that is it. I hope you got my point. I ramble, or I talk a lot, but I just everything in my head which is going through. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please hit the like button, also share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourselves, take care of family, stay kind, stay positive, and bye bye.